good, good. Aaron?
Yes, John. Yes, John.
Okay.
Probably in this wedge, maybe a couple down.
Check one.
Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. 1, 2. Check 1. That's perfect.
Dave needs a bump in his, like, half a mark. Check 1, 2.
Let's keep talking.
Yes, Dave, you need some more Aaron.
No, you're
First
good.
time you've ever said that before.
I could use some more Aaron.
Use some more Dave in my life.
I need a little less Aaron in my monitor. No, he's good. He's good.
Keep going for me, Aaron.
Okay. Well,
Hey.
looks like a nice day for a 4th of July party out there.
1, 2, check.
I could use a little more of John and Tony.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe bring up more Aaron.
So let's keep talking for me,
Check.
Aaron. Let's get
Happy day for a 4th of July
Check
party.
1.
We hope we
Tony, do you like how much?
Maybe down just a
come
little.
out at 8 o'clock and come watch the Prefunc rock out before the boom,
Hold on,
boom,
check.
boom.
1, 2, check.
We have the sound guy
Just
trying to
test.
talk.
Hold on.
Keep going for me, Aaron.
Check 1, 2. What else can you guys need out of me? Come on now, you little picky little geezers up here. Come on now. Happy 4th of July, everybody.
Yeah, and you're thankful you're playing tonight.
Be careful who you're calling a geezer, young fella.
John, talk in your mic.
John, you go for me.
Check 1, check 1, check 1, check 1, check 1, check 2, 1. Hello.
1. Okay, Tony.
Tony.
Need a little more Tony.
Check 1, 2, test. Sibilance, check 1.
Keep going. Come on, Tony.
Hey, check, hey,
Dave.
hey.
I think we're good.
Dave.
A couple times in that last chord. Saved my life. Because all I could hear was myself.
Just do it a cappella.
Yeah, just